The low outside temperature warning in your Nissan appears when the ambient temperature sensor reads below 37 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius. However, false warnings are extremely common due to sensor and electrical issues. There are four primary causes of this warning. The most common is a faulty ambient temperature sensor, accounting for about 70% of cases. Wiring issues like corrosion or damage are also frequent. ECU or body control module software glitches can trigger false warnings, and physical obstructions like ice, snow, or debris can block the sensor. This issue affects multiple Nissan models, including the Altima, Sentra, Maxima, Rogue, Pathfinder, and Murano across various model years from 2005 to 2023. The key takeaway is this: if you see this warning, don't immediately assume it reflects the actual outside temperature. Further investigation is needed to determine if it's a real temperature reading or a sensor malfunction. The first step in diagnosing the low outside temperature warning is to verify the actual temperature against what your dashboard displays. Use a reliable thermometer or weather app to compare readings. Next, perform a physical inspection of the ambient temperature sensor. It's typically located behind the front grille or bumper. Check for physical damage, debris, ice, or corrosion that could affect readings. If the sensor appears physically intact, test its electrical properties. The sensor resistance should typically read between 2.3 and 2.7 kilo ohms at 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Also check wiring continuity between the sensor and the ECU. Scan for diagnostic trouble codes using an OBD2 scanner. The most common codes related to ambient temperature sensor issues are P0073 and P0074, which indicate sensor circuit problems. Based on your diagnosis, you have several repair options. Sensor replacement is the most common fix, costing $20 to $50 for DIY or up to $450 at a dealer. Wiring repair or ECU reprogramming may also be needed. To prevent future issues, regularly inspect the sensor during routine maintenance, protect the sensor area from road debris, and promptly address any water intrusion. These simple steps can extend sensor life significantly.